Alright guys, here we are out on beautiful Ravine Lake in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Why are you here, you say? Well guys, we're doing a follow-up video to one of my most popular videos. You can go to Mills Fleet Farm, you can go to Walmart, you can buy any $35, $40 Strike Master hand auger, right? I'll put a link down below with my Amazon affiliate links to the adapter. Now there's several different kinds of adapters. We'll go through that later when I'm back at the shop. But you want to get the steel one. If you're going to be using like a Dewalt or Milwaukee drill, guys. Now, this is my adapter. I got the extended, the 8-inch one, steel. It's the aluminum. You can rip it up with these high torque drills like the Dewalt and the Milwaukee. So this one, all I did, this adapter is 10 bucks. It's like $10.99. Take your drill. Usually has to have a 1/2 inch chuck, guys, because my 12 volt drill doesn't have a 1/2 inch chuck, only 3/8. It won't fit. Got it on speed 2. Here we go. That's it. That's all she wrote. Woo! That quick, guys. This is my Dewalt DCD 999. This is the Flex Advantage one. Fully charged up 6.0. This is only a 6-inch auger. Got on speed 2. We time it. Ready? Go. Boom. Now, a lot of people spend lots of money with fancy adapters, guys. This is $1 Frisbee from the dollar store. A little hot glue and some tape. I know it's scale fabulous, guys. But you're gonna find a budget, $40 for the ice auger, $10 for the adapter, so after 50 bucks, then your drill. 50 bucks, get a power ice auger, you can drill holes all day long. Cannot beat the setup, guys, I'm telling you. All right, just for fun, let's see how many holes you can drill in 1 minute with this bad boy. I'm gonna do it on speed 2, okay, ready? Start over here, ready, go. That's why you want to stop around there, guys. You don't want to lose your auger. It's always hard when you break through that first layer. There's 6. The ice is about 10 inches thick, maybe 12. Over a minute, but so much fun. Whew. My drill is smoking. Look at that. It's crazy. My fucking drill is smoking. This is about died from fumes. I see that? Come on, Dewalt, seriously? And go out on me like that? Brand new drill. It's crazy. Alright, let that pig cool off for a minute. God, that pisses me off. The battery's still got full bars, guys. Your chuck's tight. That's on low, guys. You do that all day. Okay, time low, on low. Ready? Go. About 11 seconds. That's just as good on speed 2. Ready? All right, contact with the ice. 1, 2, 3, go. hard when you break through. And then high is almost too high. I won't even really do it. It's just too much torque. See what I mean? It just messes up the blade. So I'm gonna keep it on low, guys. Bam. Perfect. Woo. It's cold. I got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just want to see how many holes I can do. Get it down 1 bar. All right. We're at 10 holes, guys. There you go, down 1 bar. So about 15 10-inch holes, guys. Drain down a 6 amp hour battery, 1 bar. Probably think I'm pushing, I'm not pushing. I'm letting the auger do all the work, guys. Alright guys, there you go. Hope you liked that video of how to convert a $40 hand auger into a power ice auger. It's cold as shit. It's 0 degrees out here in Minnesota, but I love it. Wouldn't trade it for nothing. Beautiful Arctic tundra. Guys, subscribe, like, comment, let me know down below. Have you done this? Do you think it's a good idea? Would you ever do it? Are you worried about dropping the auger down the hole? Have you dropped the auger down the hole? Let me know. I've almost done it multiple times. That's why I glued the little auger on there, or auger. I glued the frisbee onto the auger to stop it from falling. Just make sure you got the chuck on there good and tight. You're good to go, guys. Like I said, 50 bucks invested versus $3.99 gas auger. Golden. I've used this now for multiple years. Like I said, this is my, I recorded the first video over 5 years ago. So, yeah, much love, guys. Stay safe. Always check the ice. Don't go out there if it's thin. See ya!